Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I still think this is likely a WXY, and if that's true, then the wave Y should be an ABC also. So I think this is the A, I think this is the B, this low, and I still think there's a good chance this is going to make an impulsive move up for wave C, maybe taking out the highs of wave W before we go down to the weekly time frame Fibonacci level that we are potentially still going to have to hit. So I am definitely still very bullish. We have FOMC interest rate for the US coming out today, and I will be live streaming for that news event. So make sure you stop in to see my latest analysis on your favorite pairs. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, to me, it looks like a potential ABC. It looks like this has already ended a pullback, maybe already a wave one, wave two, wave three. Today's news could be already played into the market, and it could be bullish the dollar, and the move might have already potentially started in the Asian session last night. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I am definitely still very bullish based on the daily time frame, so I am definitely still looking primarily for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.